I asked y'all how I should glaze this ceramic axolotl pour set, and y'all said galaxy, but actually that the big axolotl should be the sun and the little axolotls should be planets. While I absolutely love the idea, I've never done a sun type of pattern on anything, and I love this axolotl way too much to mess it up, so we're gonna go with galaxy for the big axolotl and then planets like y'all suggested for the little ones. The first thing I did was paint the big axolotl black and then set it outside in the sun before painting all of the baby ones black. If you're painting anything tiny, a dowel rod with a glue dot really helps out with this. Highly suggest it. But once I had all of those nice and black, it was time to start making this galaxy look like a galaxy. I do this with these watercolor underglazes. I love the way that I can layer them. Depending on how much water you use and how many coats you put on, they are semi-transparent all the way up to opaque. So as I finished with each of the colors on the big axolotl, I would paint one of the little axolotls completely, so that way hopefully we get the planet vibes from the little ones. Once I was done layering on all the colors on the larger axolotl, it was time to move on to the tiny ones, and I just used different colors to paint all of their gills, so that way they were two-toned instead of just one. Then I got out my star box, which is just a box I use to paint stars, because I first layer splatter paint all of my stars on, and I did let a few stars get on the planets just so they matched. Then it was time to paint eyes on all of the little baby axolotls, and this took quite a while, but then once I had eyes on everything, it was time to go ahead and add some big chunky stars to the larger axolotl. And once I was done with that, we were pretty much ready to go inside of the kiln. Now y'all, tell me these colors don't deserve a like, a share, you know, a comment maybe. A little love for the galaxy axolotl, but I went ahead and got it all loaded up. By that, I mean all the smaller pieces inside of the mouth of the axolotl, then got everything put inside of the kiln, including some glaze pieces. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.